From the towering redwoods to the smallest microorganisms, life unfolds in a breathtaking array of forms. But have you ever stopped to consider what truly defines a living thing? What sets them apart from the inanimate world of rocks, water, and air? Join me, Varsha Balarao, on this captivating exploration as we delve into the intricate world of biology to uncover the 7 fundamental characteristics that unite all living organisms. Together, we'll embark on a journey to understand the very essence of life itself. Get ready to be captivated by the wonders of nature and gain a newfound appreciation for the remarkable tapestry of life that surrounds us. Observe the unhurried progress of a caterpillar. Inch by inch, it moves towards a future meal. This is the essence of life in action. From the graceful flight of birds to the pulse of blood in our veins, movement defines life. Consider the dance of cells within our bodies, or the growth of plants reaching for sunlight. The cheetah's sprint, the eagle's glide, the monkey's swings, all are testaments to movement. Even at the microscopic level, movement is constant. Appreciate the wonder of movement in all forms. In the depths of a freshwater lake, a school of fish glides effortlessly through the water. Their gills, delicate and feathery, extract life-giving oxygen from their watery surroundings. This, in essence, is respiration, the vital process that fuels the fires of life. Respiration is the invisible engine that powers every living cell, a fundamental process that transcends the boundaries of species and ecosystems. It is the process by which organisms take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, a delicate exchange that is essential for the release of energy from food. Imagine a tiny factory operating within each cell, tirelessly converting fuel into usable energy. This is the essence of respiration, a complex chain of chemical reactions that occur within the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Oxygen acts as the crucial catalyst in this process, combining with glucose, a simple sugar derived from food, to release energy in the form of ATP, the cell's energy currency. While we often associate respiration with breathing, the process itself occurs at the cellular level in all living organisms. Respiration, then, is more than just breathing. It is the very essence of energy flow in living organisms. A sunflower, bathed in the warm glow of the morning sun, slowly turns its head, following the arc of the sun across the sky. This remarkable ability to respond to stimuli, to sense and react to changes in the environment, is known as sensitivity, a defining characteristic of all living organisms. From the simplest single-celled organism to the most complex animal, all life forms exhibit some degree of sensitivity, an ability to detect and respond to changes in their surroundings. This sensitivity is crucial for survival, allowing organisms to find food, avoid danger, and thrive in ever-changing environments. Consider the delicate touch of a spider's web, designed to detect the slightest vibration, alerting the spider to the presence of trapped prey. Or the keen eyesight of an eagle soaring high above the ground, its sharp eyes scanning the landscape for the telltale movement of a rabbit or a vole. Plants, too, exhibit remarkable sensitivity. The Venus flytrap, for example, has evolved a sophisticated trap mechanism that snaps shut when triggered by the delicate touch of an unsuspecting insect. Our own senses, sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing, are all examples of sensitivity in action. Sensitivity, then, is more than just a passive awareness of the environment. It is an active process of information gathering and response. From a tiny seed, nestled in the fertile embrace of the earth, a seedling emerges, pushing its way towards the sunlight. This remarkable transformation, this unfolding of life from a humble beginning, is known as growth, a fundamental characteristic of all living things. Growth is more than just an increase in size. It is a complex process of development and maturation, a testament to the incredible ability of living organisms to convert energy and raw materials into new cells and tissues. Imagine a city under construction, with new buildings rising, roads expanding, and infrastructure developing. This is akin to the process of growth in living organisms, a symphony of coordinated activity at the cellular level. Cells divide and multiply, each new cell a perfect replica of its parent. Tissues differentiate, forming specialized structures like leaves, roots, muscles, and bones. And over time, the organism increases in size and complexity, maturing into its adult form. The rate and pattern of growth vary widely across the tree of life. influenced by factors such as genetics, environment, and resource availability. But whether it is the rapid growth of a seedling or the slow, steady growth of a mighty oak, all growth is a testament to the power of life to harness energy and create order from chaos. In a secluded meadow, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, a pair of rabbits tends to their newborn litter. This tender scene, this perpetuation of life through the creation of new individuals, is known as reproduction, a cornerstone of life on Earth. Reproduction is the process by which life creates more life, ensuring the continuation of species and the preservation of genetic diversity. It is a fundamental drive, hardwired into the very fabric of living organisms, a testament to the power of life to transcend time and mortality. From the simplest single-celled bacteria, dividing asexually to produce identical copies, to the complex mating rituals and parental care exhibited by birds and mammals, reproduction takes on a dazzling array of forms throughout the natural world. The essence of reproduction lies in the transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next. This information, encoded within the intricate structure of DNA, carries the blueprint for life, dictating everything from an organism's physical characteristics to its instincts and behaviors. Sexual reproduction, involving the fusion of gametes, sperm and egg, introduces genetic variation, shuffling the genetic deck with each new generation. This variation is the raw material upon which natural selection acts, driving evolution and the adaptation of species to ever-changing environments. Reproduction, then, is more than just the creation of offspring. It is the perpetuation of life itself. A lone runner pauses, catching their breath as beads of sweat trickle down their forehead. This seemingly simple act of perspiration is a visible manifestation of excretion, the essential process by which living organisms eliminate waste products from their bodies. Just as a well-maintained machine requires the removal of byproducts and debris, so too do living organisms rely on excretion to maintain a stable internal environment, a state of equilibrium known as homeostasis. Excretion is the body's way of getting rid of metabolic waste, the byproducts of cellular processes that, if allowed to accumulate, could disrupt the delicate balance of life. These waste products include carbon dioxide, excess water, nitrogenous compounds, and various salts. The methods of excretion vary widely across the animal kingdom. Fish, for example, excrete ammonia, a highly toxic compound, directly into the surrounding water. Mammals, on the other hand, convert ammonia into urea, a less toxic substance, which is excreted in urine. Excretion, then, is not merely about getting rid of unwanted substances. It is about maintaining a state of internal harmony. A pride of lions gathers around a recent kill, their hunger satiated by the nutrient-rich meat. Meanwhile, a towering oak tree draws minerals and water from the soil, its leaves bathed in sunlight as it manufactures its own food through the miracle of photosynthesis. These diverse strategies, these methods of acquiring and utilizing nutrients, are all manifestations of nutrition, a fundamental pillar of life. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain and utilize the energy and raw materials they need to grow, repair tissues, and carry out life's essential functions. It is the fuel that powers the engine of life, the building blocks from which complex structures are built and maintained. Organisms can be broadly classified into two categories based on their mode of nutrition: autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, like plants and algae, are the self-feeders of the world, capable of harnessing energy from sunlight to convert inorganic compounds into organic molecules through photosynthesis. Heterotrophs, on the other hand, are the consumers, relying on other organisms for their nutritional needs. Nutrition, then, is more than just eating. It is the foundation upon which life is built and sustained. As we've journeyed through these 7 characteristics of living things, we've uncovered the intricate mechanisms that drive life's grand symphony. From the smallest microbe to the largest whale, these principles unite all living organisms in a shared tapestry of existence. But our exploration doesn't end here. The natural world is brimming with countless wonders waiting to be discovered, each species a testament to the power and resilience of life. So, keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, may your curiosity continue to lead you to new and exciting discoveries in the natural world.